How to upgrade power-ups in Beach Buggy Racing 2. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you are looking for a way to upgrade your power-ups in Beach Buggy Racing 2 game, then the process is quite easy. First of all, launch open the Beach Buggy Racing 2 game on your device and wait for the lobby screen to load. Once it does, from the main home screen, go to the Power-Ups tab from the top of the screen, and then you'll see a list of available power-ups. Go ahead and select them and tap on the upgrade button at the bottom right. In order to upgrade, you need to have enough coins. Once you do that, you'll be able to upgrade your selected power-up in Beach Buggy Racing 2. If you have enough resources, the upgrade button will light up. If you don't, then you'll be able to see this upgrade button grayed out. After you upgrade it, your power-up is now stronger, faster, or more effective in races. Jump into a race to find out what your upgrade did. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.